Yo, what's up, boys? I'm in Flea's course right now for all the edits and stuff, and this is just my keyboard clicking when I edit down. Now I build with scroll wheel, and yeah, and I never play on PC, keyboard mouse. Yeah. Yeah, so that was just my edits. I'm not the best at editing. Yeah. As I said, I use scroll wheel to build.